Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you, this is the continuation of the video of the Dexscreener video. So this is actually another way to check the credibility of a coin that you tend to invest in. Okay, so if you look up here, you're going to be seeing the name. It's called Dextool.io. So once you click on it, it's going to open like this. Okay, it's going to start with the high trending coin. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can actually go here, look at it trending. You can change the hours here, 6 hours, 24 hours. Okay, you can always do the fake trend around here. So that's right. So now this, let me open one token. So this is where you find the percentage score and everything about this token. Okay, look at the liquidity here for 3.8 million and it's locked. Market cap, circle supply, total market cap, total supply, people that are holding the coin, what it has done in 24 hours, the rarity of this coin. Okay, I think it's still loading. So if you want to get more info on this coin, just tap on info. Come over here, tap on info. Hold on. It has come back. Sorry about that. Okay. So as you can see, the last 24 hours, 0.0%, 0.04%, 96. This is the score, 96. Contract verified, yes. Honeypot, no. Buy and tax, no. Sell point, no. Okay. Community trust, 50%. Okay. Okay, now, if you want to have anything or want to buy or anything to do with this coin, all you have to do, this is just an example. It's not like I'm saying you should go and buy. So all you have to do here is to copy the contract address from this screener. You can come to Dextools and paste it on the search bar. Now once you paste it on this search bar, look at the search bar over here. Once you paste the information on the search bar, the information will come out. Then you click on info and you get the score, and anything from 70 upwards is a go for me. Okay, and make sure the contract is being verified. So that is just what you need to know about Dexscreener. Subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Telegram as well. Thank you.